Tell me about the condensation and freezing. With heat pumps, it may sometimes be a problem because, as you said, they can work in very cold weather, and then some moisture from the air can turn into water drops and freeze under the unit, which may cause problems and block the fan, for example. So how does windmi deal with that?
Yeah, it is a very common situation when the water can freeze up under the unit when the defrost cycle is performed, because it can be and is often happening when it is cold outside, but the units have built-in drip tray heaters, so there shouldn't be any problem. The unit shouldn't be damaged. The heater is responsible for heating up the tray so the water can drain off easily.